And hello once again, my name is LC Lupus, and I make things on the YouTubes. For quite a couple of years now, I've been making materials for Theory of Literature, specifically the Theory of Literature undergraduate course at UNISA, THL, is the code. You might see some codes on some of my videos with things like THL 1501, 2601, 3701, etc. And those have all been sort of lecture videos helping people. However, I'm not done. I'm done. I've finished all of them. I have provided or created supplemental sort of lecture material for every single module in the Theory of Literature undergraduate course at UNISA, because I felt a strong compulsion to make sort of lecture videos for every single module, even the ones that I hate, like the poetry module. But you know, if it helps some people, then that's great. So they're done now. They're finished. I have finished every module. I'm not doing another subject. It's the subject I know the most, so I'm not doing others. But you'll be able to find all of that stuff. I'm going to be making like playlists and stuff, I think, at some point, to make it easier to categorize and everything for those who are interested in checking those videos out. Either you're doing the course yourself, or maybe you just want to learn a bit about literary theory. You never know. Maybe you do enjoy it. I don't know you. Anyway, now that that's done, I'm going to be moving on to the stuff that I actually like doing more. I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of sort of video essay stuff. I've been making these short form ones lately, and I'm probably going to continue doing some short form ones and then spattering in a couple of long form ones and other stuff in between, mostly about games and some other sort of media products out there. Maybe it's interesting to some people, I don't know. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't, but that is what's going on sort of from now on. So, yeah, that is the plan going forward. You can also, if you enjoy that kind of stuff, check out some of that kind of stuff. There's a whole bunch of it here. I'm also going to probably be doing some Let's Play stuff, both here and on the Nerd Hazard channel. You can, it hasn't started yet as of the time this has gone up, but you can go check that out. Maybe you'll enjoy it. I don't know. As soon as the channel is properly live, I will put a link in the description. So, yeah, maybe you enjoy that. Maybe you enjoy that. But that is what's happening from now on. No more lecture videos. If I do lecture video stuff again in future, I might start a second channel to do it. I don't know exactly. I'm sort of involved in academia, so I don't know if I want it to also be my channel, because, yeah. Anyway, but if you enjoy this stuff, or if you appreciate the kind of support that I've given to some people, you can always support me as well by doing the usual things that people on YouTube like and subscribe and whatever. Or, of course, you can check out my Patreon or check out my books, because that's also what I do. I'm a writer. I write fiction. I write novels and poetry and essays and stuff like that. Maybe you'd like some of that stuff too. Go check it out. But I think that's it from me. Let me quickly consult this piece of paper that I wrote here. Yeah. I had a piece of paper with just a couple of notes there, which I couldn't actually see properly because I have bad eyes. And I decided not to wear my glasses because this light that I'm using produces a very intense glare into those, and it's burning my eyes. But the things you do for love. Anyway, I hope that you have a great rest of your, whoever you are, enjoy the rest of your life. Yeah. Enjoy it. And please check out my other videos if you enjoy them. Check out my books. Check out my whatevers are out and about there. And yeah, that's it. That's all I've got to say. So, that's LC Lupus, and ta-ta.